We just saw a bunch of deer run that way, so we'll have to see if they're still out there, little boo. Yeah, you noticed them, didn't you, little boo bear? We're also gonna check out your new logs. Do you see any more deer? They didn't run away that far. I think they're still out there. Yeah? Do you still sense a presence, my friend? It's okay, we're safe out here, little boo-boo. You can come over here. Come here, you come over here. It's okay, come here, come here. It's like, I don't know about all that. Get that nice sun coming through the tops of the trees there. It's a lovely day, huh, little boo? Yes. You think there's something behind you? Well, I hear something falling out of that tree over there. I wonder what it is. Must not be too important. He pays no mind. No, washing his arm. Do you think you dropped something, little boo? Drop a penny? Aww. Cinnabon, you want to check out the new wood piles I put up there for you? Well, 2 of the 3 are new. Yes. Oh, I'll show you. I'm sure you've seen them already, though. Cinnabon, no. You're going to get all full of burrs in there, you know. Just like last time, you remember? Daddy had to pick them off. Oh, he's got to check out his tree. Well, Daddy knows better than to go over there. I can get all kinds of burrs in my pants. We'll just wait for him to finish. You're an airplane, little boo. Aw, gotta eat that stick? Where's that airplane coming from? There it is, it's way up there. Yeah, let's head towards the sun, little boo. Yes. All the way to heaven. Ooh, we're gonna check out your wood piles, little boo bear. Are you ready? Which one is it gonna select of the 3? Although it's a different pile this time, huh, little boo? But it's pretty much the same. Yes. Ooh. What a good baby. Yes. Oh, of course. Just loves his wood pile, don't you, little boo? One of his favorites. Little hunting grounds. You can tell how fresh the logs are. Yes. We're closer to your color. Yeah. Little butterscotch. Mm-hmm. Whatever they are. Whatever color you are. Yes. Ginger. I don't see them deer. They must be gone now. Yes, they went somewhere. Mm-hmm. They went somewhere, didn't they? Yes. Oh, Daddy's got to clean their ears. I almost did last night, but I forgot. I'll have to clean them tonight. You didn't get so many burrs this time, did you, little boo bear? Burr season must be towards the end now. Which is A-okay if you ask me. Is this one of your favorite places, buddy? Yeah? Cinnabon's little hangout? It's pretty relaxing back here. Gets to keep an eye on his kingdom. favorite jet now, little boo. I would make, I guess, that Southwest or Allegiant based on the colors. What do you think, Cinnabon? What kind of an airplane is that? Or airlines, rather. It's definitely not Pan Am. Not anymore, unless we're in a Tarantino movie. Well, Daddy's gonna head home now, okay, little Boo Bear? You gonna check out this little pile before we go? It's cool how the sun is moving with this. So the question is, will he come to Daddy? Or come to his favorite stick? We'll find out. There was a stick in the way, but I got rid of it for a little baby boy. Looks like a big fur ball right now. You almost done, little boo? Yeah? Just what I was thinking. And probably most of you watching, too. Glad I cut down trees last weekend, because right now it'd be difficult to tell which ones are dead or alive, because most of the black cherries have dropped their leaves. But we could always ask little Cinnabon. And yes, he's the expert, the arborist. Yeah. Almost sounds like a child. Huh. Maybe it's the ghosts of the forest. What do you think, Cinnabon? What was that screaming sound? Probably a bird, right? Yeah, probably a bird. Oh, it usually is, isn't it? Probably the noisiest things out in these woods besides me. He likes his little stump desk. Not exactly level, but I'm sure it gets the job done. He's so fast that he can't even keep up with him. A question mark shaped tail, huh? Yeah. We're almost home, little boo. Yeah. You can come inside if you want to. But it's a pretty nice day. We should stay outside for a little bit longer. Yeah. Get some of that nice sunshine. And a shower. Sunbathing, huh? Yes. Oh, that's okay. He jumps up into my hand. Uh-huh. Yes. Oh, taking a shortcut, huh? Alrighty then. Well, thank you everybody for joining us today. We wish you well. Be safe out there. And stay warm if you're in a cool place. And stay cool if you're someplace warm. Bye-bye for now.